In the garment industry, compliance is more than ticking boxes. It's about trust, brand value, and prioritizing people. Labor compliance equals trust and business growth, transforming factories into ethical powerhouses. Global headlines highlight the dire consequences of factory violations. A single labor violation can tarnish your reputation and lead to canceled orders. Ethical sourcing is now a demand from both buyers and consumers. Imagine your factory blacklisted due to non-compliance. The cost isn't just financial, it's reputational. Buyers and consumers are increasingly vigilant, demanding transparency and ethical practices. View compliance as a strategic advantage, not just an obligation. Progressive factories use compliance to win buyers and retain talent. Compliance enhances capability and credibility, turning challenges into opportunities. Consider a Dhaka factory's success story. By implementing a robust compliance program, they attracted new buyers, improved worker retention, and achieved LEED certification. Compliance became their growth catalyst. Key elements of compliance include fair wages, safe workplaces, and gender equality. These pillars ensure a thriving, ethical environment, bridging the gap to better partnerships and sustainable growth. Recap: compliance isn't a burden, it's a bridge to success. By embracing ethical practices, you'll foster trust, enhance productivity, and secure long-term growth. Labor compliance is your competitive edge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for professional updates.